When going through the credit repair process, one of the first things that you want to do is remove your personal information from your credit report. A lot of the times, your name is spelled incorrectly multiple times, and you have old addresses on your credit report. The reason why your name is spelled incorrectly and the addresses are old is because this is coming from the original creditor, and that's how they spelled your name. That's how they're reporting it to the credit bureaus. That's the name that they have on file, as well as the address. So if you have an old debt from, let's say, 3, 4 years ago, your name is John Doe, but they're calling you Mary Jane, then what you want to do is get Mary Jane off of your credit report and get your old addresses off your credit report as well. This disassociates you from your debt, and when you try to delete, it makes it much easier. I'm going to show you a credit report, but I am going to block the information, the personal information off, so you can't see it. But these are their credit scores. Their credit scores are pretty good. However, TransUnion has three different versions of this person's name. Experian has one, two, three, four, five, six different versions of this person's name, and Equifax has two different versions of this person's name. Out of all of the versions that are reporting, only two companies, only TransUnion and Experian have it correct once out of all the multiple times that they reported. So you want to wipe the slate clean. You want to get rid of that. Um, Even when you dispute with the credit bureau, if you don't use a middle initial in your name, you want to definitely tell them that so that it's wiped clean. Also, you can see the old addresses. They have their current address reporting multiple ways. Equifax has their old address reporting as their new address, which is bananas. So get rid of those too. Under the FCRA, all you need to do is have one name, one address, one employer. So get rid of them. And as you can see, I can show this because it doesn't show his name. He has multiple employers and he's actually self-employed. So I can get rid of this as well. But yeah, I can tell you from a personal experience, um, when I went to remove all of the personal information from credit from the three Bs, um, I removed like 25 names and old addresses, and my score did go up 20 points. Some people say nothing happens. I've actually seen both. I've removed personal information and nothing really happened. And I removed information and I've seen a score increase. So I guess it just depends. But yeah, it's really important. Don't even worry about the score increase. Get the personal information off so that when you go and dispute your negative items, it just makes it easier. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.